What is the crack, everyone? Today's cocktail is the Basil Smash. Let's get straight into it. If you don't know already, my name is the Rusty Bartender and we're making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's book. Today's cocktail is the Basil Smash, and it is a kind of a distant relative or cousin, you'd say, to the Whiskey Smash, and it was created by a German bartender called... Where's my glasses? George Mayer. Hope I pronounced that correctly. Grab your cocktail shaker and we're going to go, and we're going to count out 10 basil leaves. I don't know why I'm doing that, but 10. 1, 2, 3, small ones, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gotta love the smell of basil. Give it a nice slap to release some of the oils. We're gonna give this a gentle muddle. So maybe 3 or 4 presses of the big boy. And this recipe calls for an entire ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So let's go. We got close but not quite on that first one. One ounce fresh lemon juice. Then we're going to go 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 3/4. Then a full 2 ounces of gin. We're using Tanqueray gin, but the recipe does say that a more savory gin, like a celery gin, would be preferred in this one. We're going to add ice to the shaker and then give us a really good shake. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please and thank you. And we're going to add some fresh ice to a pre-chilled rocks glass tumbler. I don't know about anybody else, but I really enjoy green cocktails for some reason. This one should be pretty green. Now we're double straining this because you don't want little tiny bits of basil floating about your drink. Well, you might. Look at the color of that. Bosh. And we're just going to slap a little bit of basil around here. It's all about the flavor and presentation. There you go, guys. The Basil Smash. All right, let's give it a little sip. Yep. That's delightful. Really fresh, really nice. Get the basil really up front on that. It's sweet, it's tangy. Great little gin sour, to be honest. If you have never had one of these, give this one a try, folks. The Basil Smash. Cheers.